In this video, we'll cover the must-know Git skills that every developer should master to boost productivity and collaborate effectively. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your Git workflow, this guide has you covered. Basic Git Commands. Git init. Initialize a new Git repository in your project directory. Git clone. Repository URL clone an existing repository from a remote server to your local machine. Git add file stage changes for the next commit. Use git add to stage all changes. Git commit commit message. Commit stage changes with a descriptive message. Git status. Check the status of your working directory and stage changes. Git log. View the commit history of the repository. Branching and merging. Git branch. List all branches in the repository. Use git branch name to create a new branch. Git checkout, branch name switch to a specific branch. Use B to create and switch to a new branch. Example. Git checkout, B feature branch. Git merge, branch name merge changes from one branch into the current branch. Git rebase, branch name reapply commits from the current branch onto another branch, creating a linear history. Remote repositories. Git remote v. List all remote repositories connected to your local repository. Git remote add origin, repository URL add a remote repository. Examples. GitHub, GitLab, Git push origin. Branch name push local commits to a remote repository. Git pull origin, branch name fetch and merge changes from a remote repository. Git fetch. Download changes from a remote repository without merging them. Undoing changes. Git reset, commit hash reset the current branch to a specific commit. Use soft to keep changes staged, mix to unstaged changes, or hard to discard all changes. Git revert, commit hash create a new commit that undoes the changes of a previous commit. Git checkout, file discard changes in a specific file and revert it to the last committed state. Git clean FD. Remove untracked files and directories from the working directory. Stashing. Git stash. Temporarily save changes that are not ready to be committed. Git stash pop. Apply the most recently stashed changes and remove them from the stash list. Git stash list. View all stash changes. Git stash apply. Apply stash changes without removing them from the stash list. Tagging. Git tag. Tag name create a lightweight tag for a specific commit. Git tag a, tag name m message. Create an annotated tag with a message. Git push origin. Tag name push a specific tag to the remote repository. Git push origin, tags. Push all tags to the remote repository. Collaboration best practices. Pull requests. PRs use PRs to propose changes and collaborate with others. Code reviews. Review and discuss changes before merging them into the main branch. Branch naming conventions. Use meaningful branch names. Examples. Feature/login, bugfix/header. Commit messages. Write clear and concise commit messages that explain the purpose of the changes. Advanced Git features. Git bisect. Perform a binary search to find the commit that introduced a bug. Git cherry pick. Commit hash apply a specific commit from one branch to another. Git ref log. View a log of all reference changes. Examples. Branch updates, commits. Git submodule. Manage dependencies by including other repositories within your project. Git workflows. Feature branch workflow. Create a new branch for each feature or bug fix and merge it back into the main branch. Git flow workflow. Use a structured branching model with develop, feature, release, and hotfix branches. Forking workflow. Fork a repository, make changes in your fork, and submit a pull request to the original repository. Git configuration. Git config. Global user.name your name. Set your name for commits. Git config. Global user.email your .email at example.com. Set your email for commits. Git config. Global core.editor code. Wait. Set your preferred text editor. Example. VS Code. Git ignore. Create a .gitignore file to exclude files and directories from being tracked by Git. Troubleshooting. Merge conflicts. Resolve conflicts by manually editing the conflicting files, then staging and committing the changes. Detached head. Use Git checkout branch name to reattach your head to a branch. Lost commits. Use Git reflog to find and recover lost commits. Git tools and integrations. Git GUIs. Use tools like SourceTree, GitHub Desktop, or GitKraken for a visual interface. IDE integration. Most modern IDEs, examples, VS Code, IntelliJ, have built-in Git support. CI/CD pipelines. Integrate Git with CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI. By mastering these essential Git skills, you'll be able to manage your code base efficiently, collaborate effectively with others, and handle complex version control scenarios with confidence. Practice regularly and explore Git's documentation to deepen your understanding. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more developer tips and tutorials.